Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create an iCloud account on iPhone. Right? Creating an iCloud account, also known as Apple account or Apple ID, is pretty simple. All you got to do is first off, go ahead over to settings right here, or you can go ahead over to App Store. So I'm just going to show you right here under App Store. Go ahead over to the top right, tap on the profile icon. And then once you're in here, you can just basically tap on create new Apple account from here. Now the other option, let's go ahead over to the settings app, which is right here. Go ahead and tap on it. And in here, as you can see, it needs an Apple account as well, or iCloud. So just go ahead and tap on it. And then once done, it says here at the very bottom, don't have an Apple account. So just tap on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and type down your first name, last name, your date of birth, and then finally hit on continue. So give me a moment. And then after that, in the next page, go ahead and type down your email address. It can be that you have a Gmail account, so go ahead and type down your Gmail right here. And then once that's done, again, just hit on continue right here. If you want to as well, you can go ahead and disable this feature. Now, in the next page, it will then go ahead and ask you for an Apple account password. So this will be your Apple ID's password. So don't forget this, okay? So type down your password. And then after that, just re-enter the same exact password right here at the very bottom, okay? So the password must be at least 8 characters. That includes a number, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter, okay? And then once that's done, once you've typed down your password or preferred password, just tap on continue. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, it will now then go ahead and ask you, your phone number will be used to verify your identity with a text message or a phone call. Messaging and data rates may apply. So if this is the number that you wanted to use, this is basically the number that you're currently using on your phone. If you want to use a different number, go ahead and type it down right here manually, okay? Use a different number. So I'm just going to hit on continue right here because I'm going to be using this exact number, okay? Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead and read the terms and condition right here, and then finally just hit on agree at the bottom right. And as you can see here, it is now trying to log us in. So just wait for it as it sets up your iCloud account. Wait a bit, and as you can see here, we are done. Just wait for the final verification process right here to finish. And once that's done, you can now be able to use your App Store or whatever application that is needed for your Apple device. Okay? And that's how simple it is to create an iCloud account on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.